I'm trying to show you the clothes, but it's just not going well. Hey everyone, it's Alexa. Welcome back to my channel. I really love watching those TikToks where people like figure out how they want to style clothes. I love montages where people decide what to wear in like movies. So I thought it would be a fun idea to make one myself, because I'm the main character. So every time that I was going out, when I remembered, I would film my getting ready process and what I was planning on doing that day, why I decided to choose the clothes that I did. And you'll see all of the outfits that I try on before I land on the right one for the day. So I hope you enjoy. I was figuring out the best angles for this video throughout the video, so there's gonna be some odd angles here and there, but yeah, I hope you enjoy. Okay, so today I'm going on a picnic with my friend. It's pretty warm today. The weather says that it should feel like 13 degrees and then it'll cool down until like 7 degrees. And I think I really want to wear this brown and black striped mini dress. I think because it's a little longer, it can keep me a little warmer. It's time to bust this dress out today. If you're like me and a lot of your clothes just don't fit properly and you don't feel like tailoring them, safety pins are your best friend. This dress is like a little loose around the chest area because I don't have an abundance of chest. So I'm just going to stick it down and, you know, ruche it up a little better. It just has short sleeves and then it fits a little bit and then it flares out at the bottom with this little like triangular ruffle. I thought I'd wear a leather jacket on top to sort of contrast the styles. I don't know, this is like more tough looking and this is like more dainty. I usually don't like to cut off my waist when I wear anything, so I thought like the cropped one would still give me a little bit of shape. Since I'm going on a picnic, I need to bring a lot of stuff, so I'm gonna bring 2 tote bags. I'm going to bring a brown tote bag to match the brown on the dress. I'll decide on my shoes and get back to you. So this is the final look, and I chose my platform Doc Martens because I think the thickness of them sort of balances out the way that the skirt goes outwards. I don't know how to explain it, but I hate when I have like things that flare out and then my feet look really tiny. Like I like the thickness to be even throughout my outfit, if that makes sense. And the fact that it has the zippers and the hardware, it sort of matches the jacket. So we have brown on dress, brown bag, black boots, and then my black jacket. And this is the vibe. Okay, so today I'm going on a picnic hangout thing. And yes, these are Christmas pajamas. Checking the trusty Weather Network app. It feels like 9 degrees right now. Until I leave, it'll feel like 11 degrees. I don't want to get too dressed up just because we're just going to be sitting in the grass. So the first thing I'm going to do is figure out some jeans. We don't have a picnic blanket or anything. I'm going to wear some nice thick pants that I don't mind getting grass stains on them potentially. Oh boy. So these are the 3 jeans in question. We have these beautiful mid-wash wide leg high-rise jeans, mid-wash boyfriend jeans but in a light wash. I have a long leather, I have a black cropped denim, and then I have a leather. I think the cropped leather and the cropped denim would go nice with the bell-bottom pants. I don't feel like wearing this one today. Ooh. I think this could look really ugly or really fire. We have this washed out denim with this, I'm trying to show you the clothes, but it's just not going well. Or in the pants, do you see my vision? Okay, maybe. It's not that cold, right? I will get cold in this, hold on. I like this pair together, but I don't think it's warm enough. So I'm not digging the denim on denim thing. I like these 2 together, but not these 2 together. I think the best option is to just change my pants, right? Right? This looks cute, right? Right? But I do need a jacket. I do get cold very easily, and I do need a jacket. Let's try the denim again. Maybe with the sweater, I can vibe with it. I still don't like it. Okay, I really like this shirt, but I don't think it'll go with the pants. This is like the same idea, but I think the black goes better with this pink, but there's still flares, so vibes. I like this better. I like the way that it flows over the pants so you can still see the lavish hemming, and that's why I won't tuck it in. And I don't button it past here so you can see my little belly button. I don't know what it is about this jacket. Just don't vibe with it. Oh no, my battery is dying! I'm going to pair it with my crop leather, like this, and then I'll wear my tote bag, and then I'll pair it with my Vans that are black and white. So that ties in the black and a little bit of white from the back. Look where we started, look where we ended. That's how my indecisive brain works. Thanks, bye! Today, I'm just going over to Justin's house. We're just gonna sit and watch a movie, but I want some pictures taken because I haven't gotten a fit pic taken in a while. It's 21 degrees, which means it's gonna be super hot, so it's gonna be a short skirt tank top situation. And if you can't tell by my makeup, I'm trying to go for more of a darker look. Even though it's super hot, I'm not gonna be outside for too long, so even if I wear all black, it won't be too bad. So the first thing that I really wanted to style was this new skirt that I got. In my head, I was envisioning this with this new halter top that I got. I just thought the silhouette of like the halter top tucked into the skirt would be nice. I thought it would just look like a super cute little black dress, and then I was hoping that it would look nice with like my platform wedges. This is what I was envisioning. Let's see how it goes. I feel like this is better. I think I didn't like how thick the waistband is on this shirt when it's paired with a thick waistband on the other skirt. So this is the outfit that I'm sticking with. I decided to change my hair. I felt like it looked better when it was in this like low bun situation. I'm gonna stick with this outfit, and I'm gonna wear them with my little wedges for a nice funky look. Hopefully I can get some good pictures. That's the outfit today. I'm not gonna bring a bag. I don't think I need to bring anything, so that's really it. In case it gets cold, I'll also wear this jacket for the nighttime. Cool. I'm about to get my second dose. This is what I'm wearing. I wear this all day as I work from home. So I have jean cutoff shorts and a random graphic tee. Then I'm gonna wear tee of sandals, and then I'm gonna get my fanny pack to hold my wallet. That's the fit. Comfy, casual, on the go. Thanks for tuning in. Good morning. It's like 10:30. I have to leave my house by 11, and I haven't even done my makeup, so obviously I'm running late. I'm going downtown. I'm going to go to a park and then go sit at a patio. It is like 70% humidity today, so lots of sweat, and it's supposed to feel like it's like 35 degrees. My mind says wear a bathing suit. I haven't tried it yet, but I think it'll keep me cool. So we're gonna try this green number. Okay, this is the top. Let's hope it doesn't become untied. And I'm gonna try and pair this with something white. I like the top situation, but not the bottom. I feel like these pants are too baggy. I don't know, I want something tighter. This looks nice, but no. Oh my god, what time is it? Ideally, I would have wanted some like longer shorts because it's so hot. I prefer when I have biker length shorts, but I don't know. And plus the other shorts were like way too baggy, and I already have this that sort of loses the shape already. Okay, let's try one more time with the pants. So this is the blue, this is the white. Oh man, this is actually not that bad. I just rolled up the shorts once, and I think, you know what? I think I was just being a little too picky. I like this better. This seems better. I like how the shorts cover up more area. I'm sticking with this one, and I have to leave the door in like 10 minutes. Hello. I'm going out to a patio. It feels like 24, and it's supposed to rain. And I bought new clothes, and I just want to wear them. So we got these new Levi's ribcage straight ankle jean. I want to wear this. And I have two white shirts. It's either gonna be this one or the bodysuit. I feel like this is really cute, but I kind of want to just show off the waistline of my pants. I think I'll try the bodysuit. I don't know. I just don't feel like this one. Okay, I prefer this, more casual, but I like this outfit. But yeah, I like the vibe of this, and then I'm gonna wear it with some sneaker. I think I'm gonna go for the Vans today. And then I'm gonna go for these funky green shades. But yeah, I think this is what we're going for today. And then I'll wear my Vans, I think. We're going out again. This time we're going out for dinner. We're going out for Korean barbecue. Yesterday, I wasn't feeling this top, but today I am feeling this top. And we aren't gonna be walking around too much. So that also means that we're feeling the sandals. Now I just have to find like something in the middle to go with all this. Feels like 25 degrees today. We'll start with a shirt. Let's try some shorts. I have this one like super distressed pair. So these, and I got some short shorts. I think these ones might look the best. It feels too short. I don't know. What if I made a dress? I think I'm just overthinking it. I think this is fine. And then I'll wear it with my shoes. I think we'll go for this white bag. Just because it matches. And then we'll go for the green sunnies. I think I'm going to try and do something with my hair. I feel like this would look nicer if my hair is up. So you can see the straps better. And that's the look. Oh, and my rings and my watch. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to let me know which outfits you like the best. And feel free to let me know if you think I should do more videos like this. If you want more get dressed with me type videos. Be sure to like this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I upload videos usually on Sundays. So yeah, bye.